Hey guys, this is Amy with the makeup. Today is actually not a makeup tutorial. Today is actually going to be me showing you how to do nail dip from home. I've been doing this for 6 months or more. I like to put tips on my fingers only because I do not like the natural shape of my nails. And as you can see, I've already put my tips on. Saves the video some time. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and now trim with my nail clippers here. Trim off the excess length because I am one that likes my nails very short. And if they are not straight, that is perfectly okay because you can file them down to the length that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to move quickly here. Whoops. Probably couldn't see that, huh? Okay. I'm not left-handed, so bear with me here. Just try to get it as straight as I can. I'll file the rest down later, but the tips aren't very hard to do. They're kind of time-consuming because you got to find your size to your nail bed and glue them on and make sure they fit. You don't want too much glue. You don't want tons of glue. If they're a little bit too big for your nail bed, that's fine because later you're going to file them down. So I don't like to file them before I put the nail dip on, only because it's easier to rip the nail off, I feel like. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Quick Dip brand Rose Petal Pink. This is going to be my base. The color that I want to use is a little bit lighter, so I'm going to put a base on it to help the color come out more. So I'm going to be using the Model Ones, or Modelones, I think it's Model Ones, base dip, the activator, and the top coat in this video. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, start from the back. Try not to get any skin. And just put a hefty coat on there for your base. I like to smooth it out. I don't screw my cap on, only because you're going to need it just in a moment. So you want to pretty much put your base coat on, and I just totally snagged it already. So that is the first coat. It does not look good right now, but I promise it will look better. I'm going to do the second nail. You can brush it back into the dip itself. It's not going to hurt anything. I see some flaws, but nothing I can't really cover up or buff off. So now we're going to do the glitter on the nail now that we have the base color. So I'm just probably going to do one total glitter coat. Okay. What I like to do is always clean up the glitter powder in my little dish here, because if you spill it, whoops, it will get messy. So we'll go ahead and close that up. Go ahead and start the next dip here. I did do this on a tester right here, which is fine. There is a little bit more dip powder in here. I'll show you the brand. Whoops. This is like mauve. You don't want a lot in here. Only when you put your finger, it kind of, like water, it'll spill out if it's overflowing. This is Azure Dip. And it's like a glittery pink that I really like. It does not have a shade, but it is DP25A. It looks like Z006, but if you flip it, it looks like 900Z. Anyways, this is your dip powder. All right, let's go ahead and start our last coat here. It's a really, really pretty color. Just gonna go really thick. This one kind of looks funky. So what we use first in this is the base. We will use the activator next, and then we will use the top coat after. I'm really liking the color that's coming out. You're supposed to wipe the brush before you dip it again. I don't remember that. It's just kind of to save the brush. Oh, I'm spilling. Okay, hopefully that nail will turn out a little bit better than I thought. I'm really trying to go fast here. I will have to speed up this video. I'm really liking this color. Oops, it's probably blurry. Almost done here. Okay. Oops. Okay. We're gonna dust the excess off. Base. Activator. You want a very good helping of this on your nail bed. Shoot. That one's a little messed up, but you're not going to be able to tell. The activator is going to harden the nail more. Now you're going to file down your nails and shape them. Okay. Just with a regular aiming board. Now I'm going to file them down. And I think that's as good as it's going to get. I think that's straight enough. Just going to go like that. Okay. I am going to rinse my hands off and then put the activator on again. And then we're going to let the activator dry and put on a top coat. So, whoops, activator. So I'm going to put a little bit on here, nail by nail. Try to get up close to the camera. They're looking good so far. I love them so far. We're going to let the activator dry. And then we're going to use our top coat. This is just a clear top coat. Alright. This is the part I always get really messed up on. So boom. My experience, if you put too much base or top coat on, it will not dry. You will not be able to do anything. And then you will have crappy looking nails. I'm trying to have my nails not be shaky. And there we go, guys. They look like we got them done at the salon. They're not too bad. I'll take a picture and show it at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.